Hi, good morning everybody. Teacher Everson here once again with you. And today I want to talk about this beautiful weather. Now in Brazil we are officially in fall or autumn. Okay, so you can use like this. I have a question for you. No, wait. Let's study seasons first. Seasons. Estações do ano. Come with me. We've got summer, fall, American English, autumn, British English, winter and spring. Summer, fall or autumn, winter and spring. Now I have a question for you. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter, because here in the countryside of São Paulo is very hot indeed. So that's my question for you. So if you want to leave in the comment, okay, what's your favorite season? Thank you very much. That's all for now. Bye.